Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So it's another Gorgeous Girls for this month. Our theme was twins and gemstones. Alright, so all the latest links will be in the description bar below, and let me show you what I used. And yeah, let me jump right in. So I used this Mama Elephant tags a lot die, the little yellow bicycle love die, these stickers, these Gorgeous Girls mini sticker pack, the Whimsy Stamps stars, this Gorgeous Girls stamp set. It is the airmail one. It goes along with the I guess the postcard, not for certain, but this is it. And I use Sugar and Spice, and then I also use Catherine Pooler scattered circle stencil. I use several of my Distress Oxide inks, and then I use my sequence. Let me see if I can. This is from Cartwright. I use, well, I think this is like a rainbow mixture. And then I use several of them out of this compartment as well. Different ones out of iridescent, different ones out of this compartment as well. But they're all from Cartwright sequence. Alright, so let's see. I think I told you guys everything else. Okay, so I made a shaker tag. Now you guys know that I do not like using foam tape for my shaker. I use cardstock instead. Do have a tutorial on that. If I don't forget, I'll link it if you want to see how I did that. But here's the Sugar and Spice, and for the gemstones I use all the different sequins. I have some butterflies in here as well, and then that's the sticker of her with the little animals. And love is because I use the black oxide ink and also stamp the image in black, so I can tie all of that together as well. So that is my project on today. You guys check out the other lovely ladies. Love the way this turned out. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. Alright, you guys, stay blessed. Bye.